Okay, so what we're going to do now is talk about our position for the bends. So we've already talked about group riding on a straight road. Now we're going to talk about where we position for a bend. As you can see, we've got a left-hand bend on the board behind me, and you can see that we are in a staggered formation as previously discussed. So when we go into a bend, we are going to change our position slightly, and this allows us to have a better view of what's going on around that bend, and also it keeps us away from any danger. So rider number one is in the left wheel track at the moment, and what they're going to do is they're actually going to move over to the right wheel track. So rider number 1 and 2 are in a line. What this does is it allows us to see a little bit further around that bend. If rider number 1 looks as though they're perhaps a little bit close to the gutter, or far too close for you and your ability, don't worry about it. Try and stay in a position that you feel comfortable with, ideally a position that's also safe. So once rider number 1 has moved over to the right wheel track, what happens is we continue in this position as we go into the bend, ensuring that we give our partner or our riding buddy the distance and the respect that we all need. So not doing any sudden movements, and making sure that we're all safe and knowing what each of us are actually going to do. And then once we've moved out of the bend, what we're going to do is we're going to start moving back into the original staggered formation. So rider number 1 will obviously start to come across back into this position, and we'll be back to a staggered formation again.